Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful garden decoration ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video. So let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Flower corner, make a special flowers corner, put a different flower together. Use different color for a bright look. This corner will look very beautiful and attractive. Reuse all items. Use all things in a creative way. All bottles, flower vase, all cup, mini plant pots, all the baskets, big planter. This is low cost and friendly. And the weavers. So my next idea is weaver. Friends, pathway decoration, make a small garden beds. Use stone or tiles. Place them in a line. This makes your garden look neat and organized. Wall decoration and friends, decorate your garden wall, hang small pots or frame. You can also paint simple designs on the wall. This will make your garden look creative and stylish. Mini garden theme, make a mini garden theme. You can create fairy garden, small village garden, flower theme garden. Use small items and plants to create a cute design. So I hope you enjoy my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers.